What's up guys, my name is Mike, I am a software engineer, algorithmic forex trader, and recently I live as an expat in Koh Samui, Thailand. And also recently I was doing some development with this cross-platform framework called .NET Maui. So in this video I'm going to tell you why I got very disappointed when it comes to .NET Maui, and now before I do anything with .NET Maui I will triple check if it's really worth it. But anyway, let's start with .NET Maui. So .NET Maui is a new cross-platform framework made by the Microsoft team to build apps that run on desktop and mobiles with one project. Only one project to run them all. So one code base. So the idea is simple. The idea is really awesome. But the implementation had loads of missing things. So this .NET Maui runs on iOS, Android, Windows and Mac. I don't know why the team from Microsoft didn't include the Linux distributions, because let's say the Mac OS is the actually Linux Debian system, but maybe someone likes Ubuntu, I don't know. In my opinion, just if you run on Mac OS Windows, the obvious choice should be to also include Linux distributions or something. Anyway, that would be like the obvious thing to do. Anyway, recently I was doing some development with .NET Maui. Basically, I needed to build a very simple application to run CRUD commands. If you don't know what is CRUD, it's just create, read, update, delete commands like this. So I needed to make them with the MongoDB database as a backend database. So the main operating system to run it was of course Windows, but I also needed to run on Ubuntu or other Debian systems. And you know, I thought that .NET Maui is the next step after Avalonia with cross-platform development, cross-platform applications. So I just instantly thought it will be compatible with Linux distributions, as let's say Avalonia is doing this, other cross-platform frameworks are doing this, but it's not compatible. When it comes to Avalonia, I will make other video about the Avalonia framework, because I think it is the future of the development when it comes to desktop applications, and I think it's awesome. But anyway, this video is not about the Avalonia. Another thing that also made me a little bit angry is the fact that when it comes to running your app in Windows environment, you cannot just compile this app and run it from the binary folder like .x files. It is the most simple way to run applications, but with .NET Maui they decided to complicate things a little bit more. So I don't know why, but apparently the only way to run published .NET Maui app on Windows is by first installing the app from some pfx file, and then you will be able to run. I don't know what installation gives you. For me it's just a stupid move, as many people want to just drag and drop some zip files with some simple apps they developed and run it from the folder. If you don't like it, just delete the folder like this. No useless installation process and uninstallation. But on Windows I recently also spotted some more security checks that blocks from unauthorized apps. Maybe they want to go the same route like Apple did with ban of unauthorized apps on macOS. But anyway, with Avalonia framework I am able to run apps on macOS and on Windows machine, compile and publish the app and then run it straight from the binary folder. With .NET Maui I can't. I just cannot do this because of this stupid pfx file. Just useless installation and uninstallation. It's not good. I don't like this. Anyway, so basically these are the two things that I didn't really like about the development in .NET Maui. The lack of Debian system support. Unix. The lack of Unix system support and the need of installation the app on Windows prior running it, which is I think the worst lack of functionality that you can get with cross-platform application. But of course there were some things that I kind of liked, like their navigation shell that inherits the colors templates from your native OS. I mean by that the light mode and dark mode are being inherited, so that's cool. But this framework definitely needs some more time for me to ever consider again doing some development in it. I wanted to use .NET Maui as a front end for the gRPC service for my HFT Bridge trading application, but after playing around with it, I will definitely stay with Avalonia framework. Building cross-platform with desktop and mobile is still premature in my opinion to be used in some big projects. I know that .NET Maui is still in pre-release stage, but still these are the points that made me refuse to use .NET Maui as a chosen framework for my GUI, and I don't think they will be fixed before the first official release. So I will just stick with Avalonia. Anyway, thanks for watching this video till the end. If you were doing some research on .NET Maui and you are considering this framework for desktop app, I hope my video helped you make the decision for your future project. If you watched this video till this very end, and if you like this, and if you still like this video, please hit the like button below and subscribe to my channel. I post content related to programming, forex trading, algorithmic trading. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.